Hey everyone, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, please join the Alleyways family, subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me if you gave this video a big thumbs up and turned on post notifications so you know when I have new content. We're in the kitchen. You guys voted on my Instagram story. I had some old bananas. You said you wanted me to make banana bread. So the oven is preheated to 350. The most supreme oven temperature. Let's jump into what we need and then let's make this banana bread. Here is the recipe card. You know it's gonna be good because it looks like this, right? Here's everything that you need. You need 1.5 cups of sugar, a half a cup of margarine. I went ahead and melted mine, as you can see. You need 2 eggs, 3 bananas. I went ahead and crushed mine. 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and vanilla. So this is our ingredients, super easy. All you have to do to make this is combine all these ingredients. I mixed my dry ingredients really well first. You don't want like the baking powder or baking soda, I mean, to really collect. Like really mix this up really well. Now let's add our wet ingredients, then we're done. In 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we just mixed up all of our wet ingredients to our really well incorporated dry ingredients. Look how beautiful that already looks. It smells incredible. And something that I love about a recipe like this is the majority of your time is going to be spent in just measuring out your ingredients. And I have to shout out my mom because my mom is here with me and she did all of that. She helped me prep everything and measure out all the ingredients. So she doesn't want to be on camera, but Mom, thank you. This banana bread is her. Who gave you this recipe?
Nan's friend Joanne.
My grandmother's friend Joanne. You know it's going to be good. But there's a super special secret ingredient that we're going to do last that just makes it better than any other banana bread I've ever had. I promise. And I've had a lot of banana bread. All right. I'm going to put this in the pans and then we're going to go bake it at 350 for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to reduce the heat to 325 and bake it till it's done. You'll know when it's done. Stick a knife in the middle, see if it comes out clean. Okay, fam. It's time to prepare the secret ingredient. So once you have your banana bread in the oven, you're going to prepare this special icing. Here's everything you need for the icing. It's really simple. Let's go look at the ingredients and then whip it up because our banana bread is starting to smell good. It's going to be ready soon. For our icing, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and half a mashed banana. Let's mix these all together. And then we might have to do a little icing taste test in 3, 2, and 1. So we just mixed all that up. I'm gonna also add a splash of vanilla. I think that'd be good. So I'm just gonna pour about a teaspoon in there just to finish it off. What do you guys think? All right, we just added some vanilla. This is gonna be the consistency. And what you're going to do is whenever you take your banana bread out of the oven, we're gonna poke holes in the banana bread, pour the icing over it, and then we will have our taste test. Okay. I just pulled out the banana bread, did the little knife test. They're golden. Now they are ready for icing. What we're gonna do is just create a bunch of little pockets like this for the icing to drip down into so the bread gets nice and moist. I know that's a word a lot of people hate. Sorry, I said it. Let me know in the comments down below if you don't like that word. Even if you don't like that word, you're gonna like this bread. So this is a tip from my mom. Just take the spatula and kind of unofficially divide the icing in half in the bowl like this. Just like that, and then try and portion it as evenly as you can between the two. Unless, you know, you're giving one to somebody who you don't like as much and then give them the one with less icing. So I'm just gonna do this. It'll start to melt. You want to do this right as the bread comes out so it does melt and run down into the cake, and so as it heats up you can spread the icing more easily. So I'll go do that now. I'll come back and show you what they look like when they're done because somebody just got really upset with me about not having a good finished product photo in the comments. So I promise we'll have a great finished product photo and then we'll do a taste test. So here is one of our banana bread loaves iced. Here's one iced with a beautiful piece out, and we buttered it to eat it because, you know, it wasn't gonna be delicious enough. Here we go. Taste test. Come on. It's so good. But don't take my word for it. Let's ask my dad. Taste tester?
I'm the taste tester.
Let's see what you think. You're not gonna hurt my
Watch.
feelings.
I'll do this and then miss my mouth because you got the camera on. Oh, I'm kidding. It's very good. It's very good. I may want another piece.
All right. Let's go sign off. All right, fam, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. A special thank you as always to my live chat crew who's here with me now, chatting with me on my premiere. If you're looking for kindness, community, and friendship, don't be shy. Join our live chat. We'd love to have you. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it, let me know. I love you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!